In the previous video, I showed you how to make a website using HTML. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it look prettier with CSS. Let's create another text file called style.css and link it inside the HTML file. To do that, we simply go to the head container and type link rel stylesheet href style.css. This means that the link is a style sheet and the location is called style.css. First, I want to change the background color to gray. So go to the CSS file and type body, and inside it type in background color gray. That was easy. Now I want to change the text color to white. So type in color white. Let's change the color of the header to orange as well. So create a CSS element for h1 and add the color orange to the element. Now that should work. Now I want to make the picture a little smaller, and to do that, go to the img tag and add class hero image. Now you can choose this hero image in the CSS file and make changes to it. Let's change the height to 400 pixel and width to 600 pixel. And there you have it. Now I want to make the website more dynamic by adding an image slideshow. And we'll be going through that in the next episode, where I'll show you how to use JavaScript. So see you till then.